Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys foods that you can still make using the Call of Whales Fashionwave ingredients and the fishes they have. So for the fishes, you are still able to use them for things like seafood risotto. You can use even the glasswort, the sea grape, the wakame, or you can use scallops and the flying squid instead of the prawns because those are hard to find. You can also make, oh, you can also make fish and chips. This is really good. What else can you make with these? Where were we? I'm sorry, my glasses are a little bit foggy. You can also make the seafood pizza with that. What else? Ooh, the seafood platter, but you still need is that a crawfish? Crayfish? I don't know what that is. Yeah, so just basically most of the seafood items you can use the like the scallop. I don't know why I said clam. The scallop or the flying squid if you have some of that. For the starfruits, just make starfruit jam because you can't really make anything else with it. Maybe mixed jam if you want to. Has more energy and probably worth more to be honest. Let's see. And that's it. If you still have the spirulina powder, unfortunately, you cannot use that for anything. So I suggest just selling them. I think I have it still here, but there's no use for it, I guess, in the normal stove. And you cannot use the cooking stove that we had. So yeah, that is what you can use. Cook it first before selling because it will be worth more. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.